uh, good age, yeah, gentlemen. Today we are going to be looking at our new installation of 24 volts 5 kVA inverter. This is our bus. This is our bus. We have already connected this bus in case maybe you don't know how to connect your bus. This is what we did. You can see this. Please come closer. If you can see, just take a look. This is our AC breaker, our input breaker AC, and this is our AC source. You can see, just take a look. Then this is just like a changeover. This breaker is just like a changeover. It's a 63 ampere changeover. If you take it down, is our inverter input, inverter output. So if you take it up, let's assume there's an emergency at home, the inverter has issue, and you want to switch to your generator or to your grid, you just take it up. It work like a changeover. You can see, you can take it up, you can break it down, and you can take it down. So this is our breaker, our output breaker for inverter. So you can see this is just a breaker, our output breaker for inverter. So this, if for instance, this is where our load is already connected, what you just need to do is just for you to put your inverter, your load wire in this place. Your load wire, this is your load, neutral, and the live. Just put it so for you to take and you can equally set this to actually cut low voltage, under voltage, and high voltage. So this is our DC breaker. So just check the connection. This is what we did. This is our PV. This is where our PV is coming. Our PV will come to this place before it go to the charge controller. Okay, before it go to the charge controller, then for charge controller, before it go, before this our charge controller. So from the charge controller, it will get to the battery. So we have 4 battery here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to be connected to a series. Then will not power the two. So it's still going to give us 24 volts. But what we are trying to achieve, we are trying to to increase the ampage. Okay, is it clear? We are trying to achieve the to get more ampage. So that is what we are trying to achieve. So we are creating this video in case it's not clear. Just look in case you don't know maybe how to connect your bus. This bus, if you also need our assistance, maybe to connect your bus for you, we can connect it for you. If you're in Nigeria with Port Harcourt or Lagos, we can equally give you this bus. Then we'll just label it for you. Then we will be if you're in Nigeria, Port Harcourt, and Lagos. Outside this state, we can do way before you. If you're in Port Harcourt, we can equally create this for you. If you're in Lagos, we can equally create this for you. So just take a picture of take a video of what we are doing. So it's equally made. It's made for our follower. For those of you that have not subscribed, just subscribe to our page and also share. Our mission is one youth, three skills. So thank you for watching this video. This is just a simple way to connect your breaker. So please come closer. So by the end of this video, we are going to show you how we are doing the connection. As we are doing the connection, and so this is our breaker. Our cable is going to be passing out from this holes from this PV, from this PVC pipe. So from here, we are going to connect here. So we have already make our O for the charge controller. This charge controller is coming at this center here. So now we have already taken our measurement. We have already drilled. So before you drill, just make sure that you use your spirit level. This is our spirit level. You can see that your job is straight. It's very simple. Have a small spirit level put on top. So after that, then you drill. You can see have your hand tools. You just have your hand tools, then you drill. That will save you a lot of stress instead of using hammer. Then we also have carton. Please give me the carton because of the size of the inverter is very heavy. You can't do that. You can't equally do that. So you have to cut a carton because it's a transformer based inverter. So doing this, you see that you will stress yourself by by engaging yourself on a heavy load. So this is what we did. So before we start this drilling, we have to cut a carton, we size the inverter because the inverter is very heavy. So after sizing it, we just put, you can see we have 6 hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make sure that you mark the top where under where the battery is going to connect. The top is where the fan is. So we wrote top. So now we are placing it here. After that, as I said, always put your spirit level for you to get your accurate measurement. Then try to get your holes. Then after the drilling, then you have to put your fisher peg. When you put your fisher peg, so just after the drilling, you have to put your fisher peg. So make sure that you drill the 6 word then before we start our installation. So we don't want to make this video long. After the installation, we are going to show you the connection. So just subscribe. It's still going to be on our page. So thank you for watching our video. Remember, our mission is one youth, 3 risky. Thank you.